Oh my God, why super puti ang mukha? I need to go out in the sun. I mean, go at the beach. Kasi ang puti-puti ko na. Ayoko ng ganito. As sobrang puti kasi ang taba-taba na. Super taba ni Inday. Welcome back to Malu'sVlogs. Today's video guys, I am going to clean my plants, my aloe vera kasi sobrang nag-uumapaw na siya guys sa kanyang paso. At ang aking papaya na, buto ng papaya na nilagay ko sa paso, ayun, sobrang dami na nila guys. Natakpan na yung aking aloe vera at saka yung siling labuyo na nilagay ko sa paso, as in nagsitubo na sila lahat, ang dami-dami guys. So kawawa na yung aloe vera ko, nasusuffocate na sila. So to do replanting guys kasi para ma-transfer yung aloe vera sa ibang paso. Okay guys, so ito yung gagawin natin today, kaya let's go, samahan nyo na ako. So I have to do replanting. Look at the ginger, see guys. Now I'm gonna transfer it because I cannot breathe anymore. Look, and I have more ginger over here. It's all over my pots. Look, so I have to replant also that one. Guys, look at my calamansi. Look, it's grown now. It's gonna be higher than the building, so papaya. Ayan guys, oh, nilagay ko lang yung buto dyan sa paso, sili. Ang dami-dami nila guys, kailangan kong i-transfer kasi kawawa yung aloe vera ko, oh, natabunan na ng dami. So mag-replanting talaga, sobrang dami, hindi na makahinga. Hallelujah. Ayan, may sili pa din. To take this out because there's so much now. Looks better. Taking out all the small ones. This is so much. It's not even fit into the pots anymore. Cleaning and replanting my aloe vera. Now it's clean. I can breathe now. Now guys, here it is. What I took from the pots. Them ones, I'm gonna plant it into my new pots. And this, I'm gonna give it away to my friends. Because they're asking if they can have some to plant. So here it is, guys. I'm gonna pack this now for my friends. So this is what I'm gonna make for my aloe vera juice.
1 hour later.
So guys, this is my aloe vera juice now from the bunch of harvest. I take this every morning, guys. It's good for your health.
3 days later.
This is the aloe vera that I replanted, guys. Look. That's how it looks like now, guys. Hi guys, ayun, tapos na. We are done. Okay, so it's already clean, guys. Because wala ako gaanong pots na nabili or mga paso. So siguro mga, I think mga siyam lang yung lipatan ko ng aking aloe vera. Pero sige, okay na lang yun. Kasi yung ibang mga aloe vera ko is ipapamigay ko sa aking mga kaibigan. Kasi ang dami nilang naghihingi, guys, niyan. That was it, guys. Thank you so much for watching all my videos. And to those who haven't subscribed, guys, please do subscribe. And don't forget to leave the comment below. And please hit the notification bell so you are always updated every time I posted a new video, guys. Thank you so much, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.